Hey, Willoughby, this is your new toy. Do you think you can figure out how to get the treats out? What do you mean? Try it. Put your paw on there. Go on. Tap it. Come on, Willoughby. Come here. Spin it. Tap it. Try it. Yeah. Go on. Oh, not there. Tap his butt. Are you shy? We knew it. You are shy. Come on, I'll help you. Tap it right there. The treat might come out. Ooh. Oh, look, a treat came out. But you gotta earn it yourself. Go on. See if you can do it. All right. I'll leave you to it then. Uh-huh. You keep working on this, okay? I'll leave you to it. Go on. Okay. See you, Willoughby. See ya.